Thanks for stopping by again. I do appreciate that. We have another quick update here on Irma, and it says Irma is now a Category 3 hurricane, and it could strengthen over the weekend. It says Irma, which is developing in the wake of Harvey, is expected to become a Category 4 hurricane, and as you saw, it's already a Category 1 or 3. I'm sorry. But it did say after strengthening on Thursday, what began as a tropical storm Irma is now a Category 3 hurricane, as it expected to remain a powerful storm through the weekend, the National Hurricane Center said in its latest advisory. Irma, who's currently maximum sustained winds of 115 miles an hour and is moving west of the Cabo Verde Islands. The hurricane is moving in conditions that may allow it to intensify, said the advisory. There is a potential for Irma to ramp up or to even get more powerful hurricane than this weekend, said AccuWeather hurricane expert Dan Kalawowski. So, I mean, they're saying it maybe it could even intensify to a Category 5 possibly. But here, we'll take a look at this, and here's the hurricane intensity. You know, some illustrations here, Category 1, Category 2, Category 3 where it sits right now. Now this is Category 4 where they expect it to be. So, I mean, it could possibly even reach a Category 5. Now it says it is expected Irma to develop into a Category 4 hurricane before it reaches the Lesser Antilles. For now, though, there are no land or coastal warnings, and Irma is expected to take about a week to make it across the Atlantic. There is a wide range of possibilities for whether the hurricane reaches the U.S. or moves into the Gulf of Mexico, said AccuWeather. Harvey is now a post-tropical cyclone with heavy rain moving into the Ohio Valley, according to the National Hurricane Center. Flash flood watches and warnings are in effect for parts of the northern Mississippi, western Tennessee, Kentucky, southern Indiana, and southwest Ohio. Said flood warnings are still in effect, however, for parts of eastern Texas, including the Houston metro area and western Louisiana. Harvey is now the costliest U.S. storm in history, with damages estimated at $190 billion. And here, as you can see, the comparisons of Katrina back in 2005, which was the previous highest, at $160 million. Harvey has well surpassed that, unfortunately, and and it's still not over for them down there. It's not, and if Irma may possibly be on the way, and we're gonna go over here. We're gonna look real quick. Now this is possibly where it could be September 10th. This is Irma right there, Hurricane Irma. Now this is where Ventusky.com is actually forecasting it to be around the 10th. And as you can see here, it looks like it's headed more towards, the East Coast possibly, or even possibly just kind of curve back out into the ocean. But I did see another forecast on windy.com that has it going more towards into the Gulf of Mexico, towards Texas and all that, and that would just be horrible. They don't need any more rain or let alone another powerful hurricane like this. So, this is something we just have to keep an eye on throughout the week and into next week. It's going to take it a while to get across the Atlantic, but we're going to have to keep an eye on this because it's already a Category 3. It's going to be a Category 4 soon, and we don't know where it's headed yet. It might turn harmlessly back out into the Atlantic, but as you can see here, September 10th, it looks like it's on a pretty direct path towards the East Coast and the Carolinas, and so I don't know. We'll have to see, because other projections has it going into the Gulf, which we don't need any more tragedy or destruction right now in the States, regardless of where it may possibly make landfall. So again, I'll update this as we go throughout the week, but I appreciate every single one of you for watching this. Be sure to share, like, comment down below, and subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications so that you get my videos as soon as they're uploaded.